Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to install this one in an Audi A4 B8. I'm going to show what not to do, what mistakes I did, so you don't have to do them, and make sure everything works fine. So yeah, basically we have everything we need here, all the tools, the base, and the tools we're going to need: a screwdriver and some of this. You do this on your own risk. You may damage it while opening, so I'm not saying that it's really easy, but do it on your own risk. So we took this one really easy, just popping from here like this, and it's goes up. Now oh yeah, and don't forget to disconnect this one from here, from the back. Now we're gonna use this T20 and remove 4 bolts right here. Then we are going to remove this thing right here, then this one, and yeah, don't forget to put your car, first of all, the first step is to put your car in neutral, brake on, and leave it at least 15-20 minutes so the system shuts off, like this one, and then you can start working. Or you can start working but don't disconnect this one actually. Or yeah, so I'm gonna show you every step. So basically, engine needs to be turned off. First we have to remove this top cover right here, bottom and top. You can remove it. Okay. Be careful with this cable right here. Okay. This. So now remove this one. Take it off. Like this. Again, don't forget to disconnect it. So you push this one, take it out. Pull bolts out. We're gonna take this one outside. Really careful. Take this two out. But again, be careful with them. Okay, one. So to remove this one, just push it hard, put it this way and up, like really easy, and it's gonna go up like this. So we have this one out. There are special tools to remove this. You put them right here, but I can't find mine, so I made 2 from a old credit card. So basically you push it in here just like this. This one too, and here, and comes out really easy. This one's out. You'll have to disconnect this one. It's quite easy. Just have to disconnect this one. Pull it towards you and down, just like that. So we did this one, we took this one out, disconnected this one. Now we have to put all these cables back in, so we'll have to take the glove box out. I already removed the bolts. I had like 1, 2, 3, then 2 more inside and 2 more on the back, and 1 right there, and I have also 2 underneath, right there, 1 and 1 right here. So I took the glove box, there was a bolt right here, and then we had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 total inside. Now we're gonna disconnect this one. I already actually disconnected this cable right here from here, and now we're going to add these lines in there. So this one needs to go over there. So we're gonna pass them this way, and they'll come this way right here. I'm gonna show you the light where you're gonna put it. So the cable should go through this one, to this. Yeah, it's enough space, and connect it over there. So now I have to install all these cables. I have a bunch of cables they gave me, but this is the main cable. So this one is gonna connect to the original connector, and then this one is gonna go to the back of the unit. So these are two right here. Then this one needs to go all the way in back right there and come back here. So these two, like I said, they're gonna go that way, come over here, disconnect this one and put this one instead, and this one is gonna connect to this one, and then the rest of the cables, this one with all this bunch of cables, is gonna go up right there and show up right here, so we can connect the four-way flashers to the monitor right here. It's too bright, but yeah. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you how it looks like at the end, because I can't use just one hand. Another reminder, if you're gonna use an external, let's say you want to add another camera, not the camera that the car had, but you want to add, let's say, a 360-degree camera, then this is the cable you'll have to use, camera in. And for that reason I got another cable, and I'm gonna connect it here right now and leave it here on the glove box. So next time if I try to upgrade and put a new camera, I don't have to open everything up. Basically I'm gonna have this one right here in case I need just to add something. So I'll have to just take the glove box out and that's it, not the whole thing. So yeah, also I'm gonna also install the antenna for GPS antenna. I'm gonna stick it here on the glove box, and I have also the 4G antenna somewhere here. Okay, also I'm gonna stick it here somewhere and put the cables all the way up right here so they can connect the back of the screen right here. So the easiest way is to go this way, right here. It's that easy. Just put it in and that's it. This one has to stay here, but all the others, they have to go. Yep. So that's it. So to connect this one to this one, you have to put it in this position, at least like something like this, open, then put this one in here, but careful, be careful not to dent any of these pins. So you're gonna open it like this, put the other one, and at the end just close it like this. Same thing here. Basically everything is here. The cables for 4G, for GPS, two cables going to the monitor. This is the four-way flasher and a what's that, airbag. But I have a connector that I'm gonna connect to this right here. So one is gonna go to the one button right here. Let me show you how it's gonna work. So one connector, it's gonna go, it doesn't matter, either one, can go. One is gonna go here to this button, right? But the other one is gonna go to this one right here in back, because this one is gonna stay like this, and then this one on top like this, and then the monitor. So, oh yeah, and we have to put also this one right there instead of the monitor, because the monitor, we have to put this one on it so it's not loose and stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to connect everything here, and at the end I'm gonna connect these two in here, put this one back. Like you can see, I put the GPS antenna here. 4G also is going to be next to it, because I'm not going to use it, but just leave it in case. I hide the cables for the future upgrade of the camera here, audio jack here, and two USBs, which are, one is for DVR, I think. Yeah, this one has a tag with DVR, USB 2 DVR. They're going to go in this hole right here. So you can push a flash drive, you can put anything in it, play some music from a USB or hard drive, or we're gonna see what we can connect over there. So yeah, basically that's it right now. I'm gonna put everything here really tight so everything is clean and not making any noise. So now I installed this one securely, the bolts from the screen, the original ones. I've put this one through. Oops, we don't need that one. We need just this one on the left side, the small one, and the right side is the big one. And then the two antennas are at the bottom, and this one goes down here. And I used it this way, but whatever you want to do, put it at the bottom. Four-way flashers and airbag. Now we're gonna put it in place, and then the next step is gonna be putting this one back. So now it's very important not to forget to connect the four-way flashers, otherwise we're gonna get an error. So one of them, doesn't really matter which one, I'm gonna connect right here right now, and then I'm gonna put it back. And the second connector, I'm gonna stick it out so I don't forget to connect it to this one. So to connect to this one, you have to use the bolts they provided you. So you'll have to look with a flashlight and see. It's kind of difficult, but not that hard to connect them. Don't overkill it. So I'm gonna put this three. I'm gonna show you how it works. Let's see if it's working. It's already working. Okay, so everything is tight, it's not moving. I might look and move it a little bit, you can move it a little bit. And then I'm gonna connect right now the antennas, then put them back in, put it in place. Then I'm gonna connect these three cables. I'm gonna put the bridge here. Antennas connected. This is where the SIM card goes, but I'm not going to use it. It's time to connect these two connectors and put it in place and go right here. So this part is ready. I'll have to put, there are two more bolts I have to put right here. I don't know if you can see it. So now let's do the rest steps. Put these two together, three together. Put this one back in the glove box and give it a try. So everything's connected, even over there, everything's clean. Just put this one back, two at the bottom like I said, and then we can actually start it right now. And here we go, it's working. Let's see if the knob is working. Everything works. In case it's not working, you should go to right here, and put number 5. Oops, put that one back. Put number 5 here. Reverse type original car, but if you want to put your own camera installation mode or whatever you're gonna choose, left, right mirror, track, bass, other options, car info. Okay, push this one to go out. This is for CarPlay. It should connect because I connected it already. Connecting. So you can see it's connected or working. If you want to go to the original menu, just push right here. Oops. And you have the original radio. Everything is here. So basically everything is still there. Nothing disappeared. 2, everything you have. Or push it here and you're out of that one. And you have all this stuff right here. I have to check what's this. I don't have a. Okay. Meter. Okay. Gallery, video, EasyCom files. So that's it basically. Music. To connect the music, we'll have to install the MMI to audio jack to this one. So it's gonna be here in a few days. I'm gonna install it, and then to connect the radio, to play the music from the radio or CarPlay, you'll have to go to media. Okay, media right here, and choose the source. Go right here, MIA. So after we installed the audio jack to MMI, in order for this system to work with the speakers from the car, because right now it's working only with one speaker inside. So in order to work, we'll have to go to the main system of the Audi, push it right here, and here we need to go to source. You can use the touchscreen on the main system, so you have to use the tools right here. So go to source and choose external audio. So you can see it's active. So right now if we go back to Android or CarPlay, everything should work perfectly. So let's go to, you can see it's working. I'm not gonna use it. So yeah, everything is pretty smooth. I'm really happy with the radio. You can use it like this with your touch, or use the console. It's really fast. I have the other car installed from the manufacturer, CarPlay, and it's the same. I don't see any changes in performance and stuff like that. So yeah, really happy. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment. I'll try to answer ASAP or to help you.